Hi, good day. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako po pala si Joshua, isang call center agent po. Ngayon na po ulit po ako nakapag-video, nakagawa ng vlog about call center tips po. Dati po ginagawa ko na po ito sa dami din po ng ginagawa ko. May work from home, may work sa office. So ngayon lang din po ako nakapag-vlog din po ulit. So again po, thank you po for watching my videos on YouTube. It's Joshua Godelano. And to my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, it's Joshua Godelano if you want to search po. So, gumawa lang din po ako ng video about call center tips. Ito po ay para po makatulong pa rin po sa ating mga call center agents pa rin po na nag-work po sa BPO. Sana po makatulong pa rin po. So, nakaka-receive lang din po ako ng message and then comments to social media na may mga friend po na ako nag-struggle pa rin naman i-handle ang customer over the phone. So, one of the message here is, I canceled my hotel reservation. Why am I receiving some confirmation ticket on my email? So, nakakalungkot nga naman. Kasi baka magbayad pa naman si customer. Hindi naman siya aware, di ba? So, what will be the response to it? So, I have here the categories that we can use, para matulungan natin si customer. So, I have here acknowledgement, empathy statements, and then assurance na pwede natin magamit. So first, acknowledgement. So we can say, thank you so much for bringing up this to our attention. Sorry to hear that you're receiving a confirmation ticket, right? And then my empathy statement. I know this is really alarming. This is really crucial. My assurance to it, nothing to worry, ma'am. I will make sure at the end of this call, the issue will be identified. You don't have to worry, you don't have to pay. I will fix this and change whatever on the system in order for you to not receive any confirmation ticket starting today and moving forward. So let's pull up your account and go ahead. Simplihan lang natin, but make it sure our message is complete and precise. To make it sure na nagmamalasakit naman tayo kay customer, na hindi natin siya minamadali. No? So, thank you po pala na nag-watch po kayo sa aking video. Sana po makatulong pa rin po ako sa inyo. Marami pa po messages, comments na nare-receive pa rin po about how to respond sa mga customer po natin. No? Kasi po marami din naman po issues na hinaharap din naman ng mga call center agents natin. No? May mga struggles po, hindi po talaga po naiiwasan po talaga. So again po, don't forget po to follow and subscribe po sa aking pong YouTube channel, Joshua Godelano po. Sa Facebook po, Joshua Godelano, Instagram, Joshua Godelano po. So I will make more videos po, call center tips po, na pwede nating magamit or makakatulong pa rin naman po na improve natin yung skills natin on how to handle customers po, to build the confidence pa rin naman po. So again po, thank you so much po again for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook, and please like to my Instagram at the same time. I really appreciate po the time na in-spend nyo po watching my videos. And see you around po. And again po, thank you po. Nandito na lang po. Goodbye for now and God bless po. Thank you.